Good morning, friends. Happy Sunday. We are about to head out. We are gonna go on the hop on hop off tour today. I'm excited. I like the hop I think I like the hop on hop off tour. My mom does not seem to like it, but we'll see what I think. I think I'm gonna plan to ride around first to see where I can hop off and then hop off after that. Goodness, we had a day. We had a long day. It is now 8 o'clock. It's time to start unwinding down, getting ready for the week. I have some papers that I have to grade for the rest of the evening, so not too fun, but at least it's interesting. What I did want to show you what I got this weekend. In this bag, I have a gift for my boyfriend. So if he can mute the video for like 2 seconds so I can say what it is. It's a glass bird. His favorite animals are birds. And here's a picture of it because I'm not unpacking it. I got my mom and my aunt something, and I think I should have got myself it too. If you're my mom or my aunt, please close your eyes and mute the video. So I got them an elephant charcuterie board, like where you can pick your cheese and your meats. I got both of them one, and I didn't get myself one. So I went shopping today. I went to the mall, and I got some items. The first thing we got is this long maxi dress. It's a red floral print. I thought it was so cute. Perfect for my time here in Barcelona, and I can wear this back in the US. I got these blue trousers. They're like navy blue. I have some tops that are navy blue that would match those trousers. So that was a good find. I got me and my mom matching white dresses for our Delta convention conference coming up. I don't think I'll wear this here. I also got a pair of red trousers and another maxi dress. This one's blue. I might wear this one tomorrow for work. And then lastly, I got a plain white top. It was €4, and I think it will look cute with my red and navy blue trousers. Okay, now time for groceries. I got a thing of Coca-Cola. Next, got some paper towels because I go through these quickly. I got some bread for breakfast and bread for sandwiches. I got more plates. I got more eggs. I got more forks, knives, and spoons. Some pretzels, some ham, and water. Hope you guys enjoyed this weekend in my life. We did a lot this weekend. Next weekend, I'm actually going to Madrid to see my friend Caitlin. You guys probably remember her for some videos, so I'm really excited because she lives in Madrid and I haven't seen her since August of last year, so I'm really excited to see her. I'll see you guys next week because I do not vlog during the week because what I do is not fun. Good night. Bye. We got out of work early today, so I decided to go to the Science Museum. Walking on here.